Hi, in this video, we will learn how to send personalized invitations on LinkedIn and grow your network, all with the help of AI. To make this process smooth and effective, we'll need three things. First, we'll need the Harpa AI Google Chrome extension. I assume that you already have it, you have the account, and so on. If not, you can see the link on the screen, just add it to Chrome and create an account. Then log into your large language model. That could be ChatGPT, Google Gemini, or Anthropic's Claude in a separate tab. The next step is to go to your LinkedIn account. Next, you'll need someone to connect with. For this video, let's consider Luke Matthews. If you haven't read his work yet, give it a try. He produces a lot of great content in a niche that's likely to interest you. Now, let's head over to Harpa. If you open it on LinkedIn, it already understands where you are. So let's go and select our GPT model or any other LLM that we're using. Just a tip, if you don't have a GPT Plus account to use GPT-4 or custom GPTs, I recommend choosing Anthropic's Claude instead of GPT 3.5. I think that's the best free alternative comparing to all LLMs in 2024. Okay, let's use GPT-4 as I believe this is something that most of you are going to use. And let's click on Connect Note option. Now, we are prompted to provide information about the person that we would like to connect with. But actually, we're not going to do it. We'll just press enter and parse the information from the page. To make parsing more effective, I'll have a look at the fields on the page and unfold them if possible. For example, here's an unfolded section. Let's go through the experience, right? Perfect. Press enter, and now Harpa asks for any specific reasons to connect with the person. Of course, you can enter that reason, and that would be great, especially if you have one. But for now, let's press enter to make a guess again. It is actually ChatGPT that does the guessing, not Harpa. Harpa is just the intermediate between these two, so it's correct to say it's ChatGPT to make the guess. The responses are quite personalized, which I appreciate. However, there may be instances where you want to further refine it with your own preferences, reasons to connect, or simply request more personalized options. In such cases, you can click and ask to make the connection even more personalized. And that's something that we're going to do right now. Excellent. These options sound better than most connection requests that I receive on LinkedIn. Feel free to use it and experiment with different models and ideas. Just remember to avoid excessive activity that might be perceived as spam. LinkedIn doesn't approve of it. People don't really like it. So yeah, many factors other than the text of a connection note can signal a spam. So I would recommend to connect only with people you generally want to interact with and ensure to communicate effectively. Just don't overdo it. Build great relationship. But if you use this approach, you can build highly engaged, high quality network. And this is something that I wish to all of us. Cheers and see you soon.